What you doing, Bells? What you doing? You listening to your music? Huh? Where's your strawberry? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, you gonna rock? Where's your strawberry? There it is. What a big girl. And do you want to listen to your music? Can you listen to your music at the same time? Show everyone what a big girl. Oh, your strawberry's in the way. Get it around. Oh, good girl. And play with your strawberry. Is it true you didn't like toys 7 months ago? Is it true? I don't believe it. I don't believe it. It's true? Yes? Look at what a big girl you are now. Hey, princess. How about a big smile? Hey. Belly. Look at that. Playing the music with the left hand, twisting her little twirly with her right hand, and biting on the strawberry for the vibration. Oh, and dancing. Oh, yes. Good girl. Rocking out. What a good girl. What a good girl you are. Oh, you dance so pretty. Oh, you're such a pretty dancer. Yes. What a big girl. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. You want that back? Let's watch how you put it back to your ear. Oh, what a big girl. Good job. Yay, Belly. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Little kisses. Little kisses. Mwah. Mwah. That's a big girl.